Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2394th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. So I'm doing one of these desktop shoots for you this evening instead of getting in front of the camera because I've got a meeting with my Technotainment group this evening, and I've got a dinner plan with them. In this video, so I won't have a chance to stand in front of the camera, but the information, I promise you, will be just as good. For trading on Wednesday, March 30th, 2022, which also happens to be my son Michael's 21st birthday. Happy birthday, my little hero. We're going to go out and have some fun. So for trading on Mikey's birthday, March 30th, 2022, you're looking at the E-mini S&P. Just remember how risky this game is if you do not put stops in, how badly you can be annihilated. Put your stops in, put them in first, and never trade without them. This is a seriously risky game if you don't know what you're doing. So, I've been showing you this E-mini S&P chart for the last 4 or 5 days and saying about 4 or 5 days, or 3 days ago, we've had 5 Omni flip-flops. Get ready to vacate the area. That's what this means. When Omni goes from red to green arrow, back to red arrow, back to green arrow, all in the same week, which is unusual, it generally means that we're going to get ready to now vacate the area. Well, here's what's been happening since. The Omni was flip-flopping here, and look at the vacation of the area, just like it was supposed to do. Fantastic Omni analysis. And the Omni arrow is green once again for trading on Mikey's birthday, March 30th. So, get ready to vacate the area. We are starting to vacate that area. We are well above the 50-bar moving average, and I will show you another chart to help confirm this. Make sure you subscribe to these YouTube videos. Subscribe now so that when I put out the next video, you know exactly when it comes out, because this information is very pertinent to trading that session into the very next day. All right, traders, so E-mini S&P does tell us to get ready to vacate the area back here. We do vacate the area. Way to go. Thank you, Omni, for that clue. Now, look at this one. You've got the transportation average. Remember I showed you this and called it the leader? Of course, I did not coin it the leader. Charles Dow coined it the leader many moons ago, and Charles Dow knows what he's talking about. So, of course, after reading his theory, I believe him. And the transportation average is the leader of indices, not every day and not trade for trade as a day trader, but an overall, an overall objective view, if you will. Right? Looking at the forest from the trees, the Dow Jones Transportation Average is actually the leader, and it built a bull flag. It was the first one to get above the 50-bar moving average, ran up, built a bull flag, and now has broken out of that bull flag. In last night's video, this bar didn't exist, right? We were here. Since last night, today happened, being Tuesday, and if you add the day's bar back in, boom, look at that, above the bull flag. Fantastic call there. Then we go and we look at another little bit of evidence, the NASDAQ. Remember that yesterday NASDAQ was here. I showed you this video, and I showed you this chart in last night's video. I mentioned, hey, 200 bar moving average is our next challenge, right? So here it is, and look what's happened. Boom! Not only did we challenge it, look at this, we're above it. Very nice, right? In a bull channel, above the 200 with a green Omni, you gotta love that. And then we can roll out to this. If you recall, I showed this to you a long time before the move started, and I said, boom, we're on our way down. We hit Omni. I'm calling some kind of short-term bottom. We'll go from there. Well, ever since we hit Omni on the weekly chart, boom, a big rally ensues, right? This is a big rally, kids. Boom, 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 boom. So 1 week, 2 weeks, we're into our 3rd week of rally. That's insane. I love it. So we've held this support resistance line, which used to be resistance, would stop the market from going up. Finally becomes support when it gets above it. Boom, held support, the green line, held the Omni, and exploded. So we've got nothing but good evidence to prove that we can buy dips for trading on Wednesday. Traders, we may already be long with the Omni, so get yourselves out there and see what's going on at livewithoscar.com. Remember, it's a free site, and you have no worries about even using credit cards. Just show up and join me in my live trading room. Chart Masterpiece, by the way, was the one that showed us weeks ago that we should start thinking about the long side, right? Go Chart Masterpiece, go Technical Analysis. I'll join you join me, and I'll join you at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out, traders, and that's very true. Put your emotions out, put your stops in, and you should fare well. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Good luck trading out there.